Google Chrome stores input data such as names, addresses, phone numbers, and other personal information for autofill purposes. Deleting the autofill data file removes this sensitive information, preventing hackers from having access to your saved credentials in case you are being hacked. Here is a quick guide to clear Google Chrome's autofill data using command prompt. Close Google Chrome browser and open command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. The autofill data is stored in specific files within the user data directory. To remove autofill prompts input and addresses, type del, which is used to delete a file in command prompt. F forces the deletion of the file even if it's read-only. It ensures that the file will be deleted without any prompts or checks. Kill stands for quiet mode. It suppresses any confirmation prompts or messages, allowing the command to execute silently. Drive C users. Replace your username with your actual user account name. AppData, local, Google, Chrome, user data, default, web data. This is the full path to the web data file, which stores Chrome's autofill data such as forms, inputs, and addresses. Web data stores information related to Chrome's autofill feature, which includes saved forms data like addresses, credit card information, and other input fields. By deleting this file, you are clearing Chrome's autofill data so that any saved form entries or autofill suggestions will be removed the next time you launch Chrome. To remove autofill passwords and login information, type del F-Q. Local drive C users. Replace your username with your actual user account name. AppData, local, Google, Chrome, user, data, default, login data. This is the full path to the login data file, which stores saved passwords and login information for websites you have logged into in Chrome. In the case of malware, a hacker may try to access your saved credentials. By removing login data file, you reduce the risk of password theft.